Hello friends, we will be solving three sum question in the lead code. This is also the similar type of question which I uploaded yesterday, but in this solution we are just following brute force approach, which is not as fast but very easy to understand, and this tutorial will be helpful to learn multiple for loops. So the question is, given an array nums of an integers and integer target, find three integers in nums such that the sum is close to target. Return the sum of the three integers. You may assume that each input have exactly one solution. So given array nums and the target is given is 1. So we need to return three numbers in the array which are just closest to the target, which is 1 over here. So -1, 2 and 1, the sum of those two is 0. -1 plus it's 2, and which is the closest to the target, and other options are not that as close as this is. So and even the thing which is given is like there will be only one solution. There is a unique solution in this, so no issues to check multiple occurrences of this. So once, let's see, what I have done is I initialize and closest sum is equal to integer dot max value. So value of the closest -1, it is not set, that's why I took -1. It can be 0 as well, not an issue. So I'm using three for loops. The first for loop is iterating up to nums minus length by -2. The second for loop is iterating up to nums length -1, and the third loop is iterating up to the nums dot length. So what's the why I used three for loops over here is the thing is, if we are using I want to just fix the indices of the three things and I want to rotate all the parts. So this approach is a brute force approach. It will not yield efficient solution. I will be uploading efficient solution of this problem in next few days. But the first thing we need to do is to get the brute force approach, and then if it is working, then we can go with the other approaches to minimize the running time. So what I have done is I initialize closest term, which is max value of integer. I want to reduce that, so that's why I increase it to the max value. So integer value is equal to maths.abs abstract value target minus nums I, nums j, nums k. So I am taking all those three values and I am just reducing from the target, and I am using that value. And if value is less than closest sum, so in the first time it will be always less than closest sum, because closest sum is defined as the maximum value of integer. So we'll set closest sum is equal to value and value of the closest, which is nums I plus nums k plus nums j. So this nums I, so this will be value of closest, and it will iterate n cube times, and it will check for the closest value. Over here I define math.abs because I don't want to use minus values, so that's why I was thinking it should not return, it will be always positive. So this value I need to be always positive, that's why I use this. So let's see whether it get accepted or not. Yes, it is getting accepted, and it's not that fast. It's not fast, and we need to efficiently implement this. It will be accepted in LeetCode, not an issue, but ideally we should not follow the brute force approach. It is for the learning purpose we can follow the brute force approach. In next videos I will be uploading the videos for this also in the efficient manner also. Thank you.